MeDirect Bank Honest App. The pros, the cons. If you are looking for a digital banking experience in Europe, the MeDirect Bank app promises modern banking tools, but is it as seamless as it seems? One of the biggest pros is account management. Most people get this wrong by assuming online banking apps are all the same. MeDirect allows users to check balances, transfer funds and manage multiple accounts quickly. It also supports international transfers with real-time tracking, making it convenient for frequent travelers or expats. Another advantage is investment integration. The app provides access to savings accounts, fixed-term deposits, and investment products, allowing users to manage finances and investments in one place. Alerts and notifications help track account activity, ensuring security and timely action. The app also offers budgeting and expense tracking tools, which help users manage spending and plan ahead effectively. Its interface is clean and intuitive, designed to simplify navigation even for those less tech-savvy. However, there are cons. Some users report occasional login issues or delays with transaction updates. While the app is robust in Europe, certain features may be limited or unavailable outside supported countries. Customer support is available, but may not respond instantly in peak periods. In conclusion, the MeDirect Bank app is a solid choice for digital banking and investment management. The surprising truth is that while it combines banking and investment tools effectively, connectivity and feature availability can vary by region. For anyone seeking a comprehensive digital banking experience in supported regions, MeDirect Bank offers convenience and control, but always be aware of local limitations.